Hello and welcome. I've got another gadget to play with. I've got something from Ulanzi this week. GP-16. This is designed for a GoPro or maybe an OSMO, whatever they call them, Action. It's got the sort of feet on it that have the little flipping out, which was like the standard GoPro fittings. This is for an action camera GoPro, magnetic suction, quick release. Now when I got it I wasn't really sure what it was used for, how you would use it, but I've had a bit of a play of it and it's quite cool. It's quite quick, it's quite easy to use. If you're, not like me, I don't use POV very much. I use my little Osmo rather than the GoPro, but I do have a GoPro. This is quite a handy little gadget because what I find is when you've got the GoPro and you've got it on these little cold shoe mounts or tripod mounts, you have to undo it, take this off, then you have to take this mount off and you have to attach another mount, and then you have to attach it to something else which is attached to this, and it makes it really quite slow and quite cumbersome to do. So the idea behind this mount is you can get rid of all those bits and pieces. You got your GoPro, it comes with one little square like this, another little square like this, and comes with a lanyard that you can attach to it, and it comes with another little square like this that you can attach to a tripod. So basically you get three sections. Let's just clip these together so I can show you what they do. We get 1, 2, 3. You get 3 pieces of plastic inside the box, and what you do is you attach one to a tripod like that. So that's all I've got to do is just attach that to there and leave it on there. I then have another one that I can put around my neck and have this around my neck tucked inside my coat like that, and then the other one attaches to your GoPro. So if you bear with me 2 seconds, I'll attach it to the GoPro and I'll show you what it does. Okay, so we've now attached it to the GoPro, and you can see it, and there's no problem with the screen. The screen works on the back there, not a problem. You can get your fingers in there. It's got a big square hole in the back, so you've got no issues with that whatsoever. There's a gap in the back as well, so it's not actually rubbing or bouncing against it. It's nice and freely held. And when you've got your tripod and you want to do a little bit of stuff to camera and blah blah blah, you just literally put it on there. Yeah, you pull it off and there's your tripod free. It literally does magnetise on. You can hear it. The magnets are phenomenal. They're so strong. But that's how you do your bit to camera. So I can put that down there. I can do my bit to camera, blah 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 blah, and then I want to go for a walk or I want to go off on the bike. So I then attach it to there. And that's it, it's now attached to it. I've got the lanyard around my neck. I can lift that up. If I take that off and lift it up a little bit higher, there is actually a little lanyard adjuster on there, so I can actually make that shorter so that I can lift this up and have it higher up, and the little squares inside my coat, and I literally just put it on. So I can work around that, walk around, do whatever I'm going to do, have it clipped to your bag, clipped to your body, clipped to anywhere you want to, and then when you want to do a bit to camera, you literally take it off and attach it to your camera. So very, very fast, very, very good, and very, very easy. I'm assuming it probably sticks to metal as well, so I can attach this to any part of the vehicle, any part of my car. I can talk to it, I can even have it while I'm driving along. The magnets are really, really quite strong, and yeah, I think that's pretty good. I think it's very clever for what it does and very, very fast to use. You can have this mounted to a suction cup or something, stuck to the window, and all you've got to do is just slap that on there, take it off and slap it onto your POV and walk around with it. So it does work very, very well, and the magnets are very, very, very strong. So yeah, that's all I want to do, show you that. It's not a lot really this week, something very, very simple, very, very, very tiny. The Ulanzi GP-16 action camera GoPro magnetic suction quick release. Easy for me to say, eh? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my landscape channel, which is Paul Compton PD Photography. And yeah, till next time, see you soon. I'm going to have a little play with this for 5 minutes. It'll even fun way of carrying me tripod.